Hey, Gene with Dent Repair Now. Today, we've got another Harley tank. Let's flip it around and show you the damage. We are Pittsburgh's top company for motorcycle paintless dent repair. Came out absolutely perfect. Came out beautifully. Not super deep, but that's every bit of 3 inches tall. It's all but invisible to the naked eye. Great. Another tank saved from the junkyard. Right across this edge. The dent was right there. Straight across from here. Came out super nice. If you have damage on your bike, call us at 724-554-1756 or visit our website, dentrepairnow.com. We'd love to get you taken care of. Thanks for watching. See ya.